in Mexico, don't try this at home.
What up, boys? It's dyno day here at New England. So we have a EM1 K turbo. We have a MR2. I'm gonna try to get them all in the same video, but maybe not. I'll figure it out maybe by the end of the video. If not, I'll have a few separate videos. But my boy Kenny's here. He has his K turbo EM1. We have a really clean MR2, white MR2, and maybe 2 more other cars are coming, but don't know yet. But it should be a fun-filled day. I think the EM1's trying to make like 650. They're gonna do flex fuel. So flex fuel is they're gonna tune first on pump gas, and then they're gonna tune on E85. So pump gas they should make about 500 horse, and then I think on E they should make like 650 depending on turbo. I know that the EM1 has a 62, 66, and then the MR2 I think 68, 70. But I'll show you the owners of the cars. We got the red EM1 on the dyno already. Jamie's here. I'll also show you Jamie's car. If you guys haven't seen Jamie's car, Jamie has a Audi R8 twin turbo. But should be a fun-filled day today. Get excited. I always love dyno videos. So let's get going. Cat also showed up today. This is the slowest RSX in the world right here. So if Cat is watching this, the slowest RSX in history. And we got Jamie parked up next to the fastest Supra in the world. If Jamie's watching this Supra will give him a run for his money. But check out that turbo kit though. R8 twin turbo. This is Jamie's daily. I swear he drives this car every day. The car is just amazing. Looks so good without the back bumper. Car is just beautiful. Carbon front lip, carbon hood, carbon vents. But let's get to the dyno. Got the cars on the dyno. Here's the MR2 here. Like I said, the EM1 is on the dyno right now, so about nice day out today. It's like 80 degrees. Yeah, what's going down today, bro?
End the day and I'm leaving. I'll catch y'all later.
Nah, bro, where you going, bro? We got like, I think 4 cars today on the dyno.
Got a half hour left. I don't know.
Yo, bro, if you guys know dyno days, these shits ain't never smooth.
Where are these cars from? And the state determines that too.
I don't know. See New York.
A car tuned from Connecticut. It's a lot faster than a cartoon from Massachusetts.
Oh.
Right?
Right?
That's a fact.
Oh, Massachusetts is, oh bro, that's disrespect.
Right? What car is faster to tune? A car from Connecticut or a car from Massachusetts? What? Faster to tune.
Bro, that's...
It ain't just, it's just facts.
He's talking shit.
Where's the men?
Nah, don't get my brother in this. They gonna flame you by yourself.
Why? It's true.
Yo, I ain't gonna hold you. You know what I told the viewers earlier?
You don't want no lane. Shut the hell up.
No, I ain't tell them that.
What?
And I repeat that shit again. Slowest RSX in the country. The slowest RSX.
Where? Which one?
Yo, Kenny. Where you going, bro? Come here, bro. Let's start off by saying my boy had a 2 o'clock dyno appointment. Came here at 4, right? Jamie's always late, and Jamie got here before you.
Traffic.
Traffic? Are you gonna blame it on traffic?
Come on, bro.
Anyways, we got a 2000 EM1 on a dyno. Tell me setup.
It's a 99.
99? Same thing, 99, 2000.
It's a 2.4 full. Drag cartel 3.2s in it. Piston rod motor. 62, 66 turbo. KLM Savage manifolds. And built trans.
What's power goals?
650.
650 on E85? And on pump? 5?
About 5, yeah.
Alright. I'll show you guys the car in a second. That's the full setup on the car. Hoping to make 650 wheel on the 85. About 388. 388 is pretty close. Turn it up a little bit, be at 500. Yeah, did my boy really hit traffic? Nah, he left late, bro. Yeah, you was riding passenger seat.
I was riding passenger seat, but things happen. We hit a little bit of Connecticut traffic, but nothing crazy.
A little bit.
But we did leave
The whole
late.
95.
We did leave late though.
You guys suck at driving over here.
Nah.
It's up a little late.
Check my boy's setup out though. Car is clean. Yo, Jamie, you think we're making 650, 85?
I think so.
655 on pump?
Might run a waste case.
Oh shit. This car is mint. What happened? What y'all talking about?
He thinks his punch is slipping.
She got twin discs?
It used to slip.
Nah.
It slipped at one point.
It did?
Take a look.
I'll tell you if it's slipping. It ain't slipping. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't think you'll be able to handle that power. That's a lot of power, bro. What was the last, what was the highest horsepower car you drove?
Same setup in a green coupe. Same exact motor and everything in my green coupe. It made 450 at that time.
450?
500.
So you make 200 more horse?
Yeah.
388 still max power. Yo, you had the boost controller set up all wrong, because I already know that shit made a lot more power. It sounded like it made a lot more power.
It did sound good.
My boy had the boost controller set up all types of wrong. Damn!
She was wired so it was pulling boost out.
He said what happened?
She was wired backwards.
Yo, sound like I had some balls this time.
How much it made, bro?
393.
393? More than what you made earlier.
Yeah.
Yo, Jamie, who wired this man's boost controller?
It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
I'm sure it wasn't you. My boy got excuses today, bro.
Me either, so.
It was your boy. I don't know if you want to say his name.
Nah, I don't want to say his name.
It's just $200 an hour in this car, right? I got one in the car, you don't have to use yours.
We came prepared, man.
Yo, what's the next issue you think is about to happen?
I'm about to find out.
Final pump gas number 523. Yo, you think Kenny ready for all that, bro?
I don't think he's ready for that.
Yo, you heard him, right? He said you're not ready for all that power.
I don't even know when
This guy has been claiming that he's gonna tune for the past 2 years. Hasn't tuned because he's afraid what the car is gonna make. He can't handle.
And you know what I'm gonna tell him? He was talking shit yesterday, talking about he's gonna break my dyno. I want to see that happen. He was talking that shit yesterday. 523 last pump gas numbers. He only wanted 500, got 523. It was only making like 390 because the boost controller was wired wrong, but got it all figured out. Final pump gas 523, and take the fuel out now, and then put E85. But I honestly think his ass should stay on pump gas because E85 might be a little bit too much for him. A little bit too spicy. I'll make first pull on E85. Let me get a quick horsepower guess. Final number.
671.
670? 671?
645.
645? God damn! Damn! That's gotta be 6 something. Oh my god.
613 right here.
What was it?
613.
613? Yo, too much power, bro. Yo, you missed the whole dyno session, bro.
Yo, this guy was supposed to order 2 pies. He ordered 2 fries.
No.
So they're in there like, yo, the guy called and ordered 2 orders of fries, but she ordered 2 pies. You're supposed to say, I want 2 cheese.
He don't know how to speak English, bro.
Not at all.
Fair English.
No, you don't. Obviously not.
It's the Dominican thing.
Yo, guess the horsepower number on the 85.
2 fries, but the guy understood 2 fries.
He just did the first pull just now.
680.
Oh no, he's only trying to make 650. He made 613 on E first pull, and then 520 on pump gas.
You chilling.
Yeah. You think he ready for that power though?
I don't know.
Take it off
I don't
the
think he
dyno.
had that much power.
Damn, everybody just not feel. Everybody not fucking with you today.
Find out.
I get bullied everywhere I
Listen,
go.
I'll fuck with him, but I don't know about that.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I think Cat RSX over there give you next lane.
Damn, bro.
You know I drive stick?
He can't order pizza, so.
Yeah. This thing sound good. Damn. 653. Right on. That's exactly what you wanted. You want a 650. It'll make more.
Safely?
Yeah, well, yeah, bro. You got a built engine. Bro, you know you talking to Jamie made 700 on a stock 2.4.
How much can we make on there, Jamie?
As much as you want. Yo, what do you think he made? 660? You?
I'm gonna go with 660.
You?
High 600, like 690 or something.
Ahmed, what do you think he made?
640.
653. Right on the money, right where he wanted.
Get it off. I'm next.
Yo, do he know how to drive stick?
Jamie the fucking cheater.
I don't think he knows.
Jamie be cheating, bro.
He do.
He came over here. He was like, "Yo, I want to make 650." And what the fuck? Did Jamie give him 653.
Yo, I swear to God, every time we bet Jamie on the fucking money, every time. But Jamie says he's gonna make more. I don't know what he was thinking with this shit. You should have made less. I'm gonna cut that right there.
Damn.
$655. $655, bro. $655. That might be it for you.
Yeah.
Your waist game might be saying that's it, bro.
It's that spring.
He a new spring?
Spring is maxed out now.
650.
Maxed out?
Yeah.
Backed up.
655. 655, bro. That's it. Gate hit the max. He got a small spring in there. Yo, let him borrow your spring real quick so he can make some real power.
I wouldn't have the same problem. I have a 10-pound spring in that one.
Oh shit. What's up with you guys? I know what it is. They ain't ready for all that jam. They ain't ready for that jam, baby. But yeah, 655 on E85. Pump gas final number is 523, and then 655 on E85. When he gets a bigger spring, he make a little bit more power. But yo, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was a little iffy After that first issue.
Cleanest car in the shop.
Huh?
Cleanest car in the shop.
You said cleanest?
Yeah.
That's why you're wearing a hat, because you capping. You capping right now, right? Final numbers 655, right?
655, yeah.
You happy, bro?
Yeah.
You ready for that power?
Yeah. I was born.
That's it. My boy's ready. Came here with no alignment, so it's just probably really making like 700 wheel. Well, I'm gonna put the MR2 in a separate video. So pump gas 523, E85 655, right? 655 on E85, and that's pretty much it.
Next video they'll see, it'll be this against that NSX outside.
Oh no, he been capping since he got here. So I'm gonna end his video. I'll post up the MR2 video probably in a few days right after. MR2 is dope, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Yo,
They don't keep it a secret either.
yo, we was a little iffy about your boy over there today.
Oh,
We was a little iffy about your boy. Y'all coming over here.
listen, man. Hopefully he can handle that power, bro. We'll see. We'll see.
If anybody got any driving lessons for my boy Cat, drop it in the comments. Yo, what's going down right now?
All right, the two cars that just got tuned are about to do a nice pull for my guys over here at New England Motors.
Bro, it's only right. It's a
Appreciate
ritual,
the love.
bro.
You
You
know
get off
what
the dyno, you gotta do a pull.
You gotta do a pull.
You guys are some bad influences, bro.
You
You
said Kenny can't drive stick, so like let's see what he can do. Think he can do something? I
Yeah,
think he might be alright.
yeah, I think so.
Nah, you said he was rusty though.
He is rusty. He is. He is very rusty.
We're in Mexico. Don't try this at home. They sound good.
Hell yeah.
Real good.
Yo, your boy banged that gear though. I ain't gonna hold
He
you.
hit that. He did.